Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to install PyCharm on your Android phone. You're going to install the complete version of PyCharm community on your Android phone, and you're going to install it and run it, and you can actually code with this PyCharm just the normal way you code with it on your PC on your Android phone. If you haven't watched the previous video I made on how to install Kali Hunter on your Android phone, I advise you go and watch the video right now. I'm going to be pasting the link to the video in the description below, so you can just easily go to the description and watch that video. And if you already have watched the video I made on how to install Kali on Android, you can just continue with this video because we're going to be installing PyCharm with Kali Linux. So without wasting much of your time, let us get to the video. Welcome back guys. Like I told you earlier, we're going to be installing PyCharm using Kali Linux. So on your termux terminal, after installing Kali, log into the root version of Kali by using the command nh-r, then connect to your GUI just like I have shown you in the previous video. So as you can see, the port for root Kali is 5902, which is the localhost 2. So as you can see right here, 5902, then you click on connect, and you should be logged in immediately to your GUI. Alright, so before we actually continue with this video, what is PyCharm? PyCharm is an integrated development environment used in programming, and PyCharm is mainly used for Python programming. Alright, at least the community version, of course, is mainly used in Python programming, but the professional version is used, you can actually run other programs through that, but it is paid. So as for this tutorial, I am showing you how to install PyCharm community. And as we all know, PyCharm works with Python. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install Python on Kali. Alright, now some people install Python with the command sudo apt install python 3. So you can actually install Python with that command, but I'm not going to be using that method because I want to install PyCharm and all of its repositories so that I don't have any problem while using my PyCharm. Alright, so we're going to be installing Python using the official Python website, which is www.python.org. Now you want to navigate to the download page, and on the download page you're going to click on Linux/Unix. Okay, so we're just going to wait a little bit for this to load, and as you can see, we are now in the download page. So okay, you're going to scroll down a little bit to the stable releases, and you want to make sure you download the latest version, and you can download any version of your choice just like I am displaying in the video. Click on compressed source tarball. Alright, and the download should take a few seconds depending on your network speed. Okay, so I'm just going to download this right now. I'm going to click on save file, and I'm going to click on OK. Alright, and the download has already begun. Alright, so let's see. Okay, the download has been completed successfully. So after downloading Python, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to extract Python. Alright, so let's first access Python in the downloads folder. Okay, as you can see, there it is, Python. As at the time I'm making this video, the latest version of Python is Python 3.10.5. Alright, so let me just make this bolder, and we're going to extract this folder. Alright, we're going to extract this folder to our desktop page. Okay, so you're just going to right click on extract to, and we want to extract to where? Okay, we want to extract to our desktop page, like I told you earlier, to our desktop page. So okay, now you're going to navigate to desktop. A new window should come up like this, and you're going to navigate to desktop, and then when you get to the desktop page, you're going to click on extract just like I am displaying in this video. And as you can see, the extraction has started. So we're just going to wait a little bit for this extraction to finish. let me just let me close this page. Okay, as you can see, desktop, as you can see, it is extracting. The new folder has opened. Let me just minimize this, minimize, and there you go. As you can see, there is a new folder on our desktop named Python 3.10.5, this folder right here. So I'm just going to open the folder just to show you the things that are inside the folder. All right, so we're not going to mess with any of this. We're not going to mess up with any of this. Just close. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to launch our terminal. Okay, you're going to launch your terminal. You're going to open your terminal, and then here we are. So we're going to navigate to the desktop directory in our terminal. So to do that, you're going to type the command cd desktop. All right, and as you can see, we have the Python folder right there. So you're going to cd into that folder. You're going to change your directory to the Python folder. So you can just easily copy the folder's name. Okay, let me just copy that, copy, and you're going to type the command cd, then you're going to paste the name there. Okay, and you're going to click on enter. And okay, let us see the list of the files here. As you can see, there's a lot of files here, but the file we're going to be working with now is the configure file. Configure. All right, there it is, configure. Configure, there it is. So you're going to type the command ./configure. all right, ./configure, and then you're going to click on enter. Okay, this is going to take a little bit of time or a lot of time to install, so you're just going to be patient with it. Now the next command we're going to be running is the command make to build all necessary applications. All right, so let me just clear the screen, and you're going to type the command make, M-A-K-E. all right, you're going to click on enter. This is going to take a lot of time also, just be patient. Okay, and after this, the last command we're going to be typing is the command make install. So make is going to build the files, and make install is going to install the files. Okay, so let me just clear the screen again, and we continue with the make install command. All right, so let me clear, and you are advised to do this in your root account. All right, with your root account. And for those of you that don't know how to log into root, you can just type the command su root, and the default password for root is tour, which is TOOR. all right, and after that, type the command make install, and this is going to install all the files. All right, that is just pretty much how you install Python manually on any Linux distro there is, not just Kali, but okay, we're using Kali for example. So if I type the command Python 3 - version right now, okay, if I type the command Python 3 - version, you will see that my Python is updated. And if I want to run my Python, I can just type the command. I can just easily type the command ./python, and as you can see, Python has been installed. So let me just print. Okay, let me just quickly run a print command. Let me run a print command to be sure, to be sure that the Python is actually working. Print okay, print hello world. Okay, print hello fans, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, that one is enough. And as you can see, hello fans, don't forget to subscribe. So our Python is functioning perfectly fine, and you can activate Python from anywhere on your terminal by typing the command Python 3. Okay, so that is that about Python. So let us move to the installation of PyCharm now, which is the main topic of the video. So to install PyCharm, we're going to be using our normal Kali terminal, not our root terminal. We are on the root terminal right now, as you can see. So we're just going to quickly switch from the root to the Kali account. So to do that, launch your, alright, on your terminal, just type the command su Kali, okay? And the default password for Kali is Kali, alright? So Kali, don't forget that. So, and that is that about that. Alright, now, so you're going to launch your browser again, your Firefox browser, and this time around you want to search for PyCharm. So on your search bar, just type PyCharm, okay? Just type PyCharm and click on enter. Click on enter, and as you can see, the first page that should come up is JetBrains, and JetBrains is the official PyCharm website, okay? Which is jetbrains.com. So you're going to click on jetbrains.com, and we're going to wait a little bit for this website to finish loading. JetBrains, okay, as you can see, there you go, the Python IDE for professional developers, PyCharm. So we're just going to click on download on the home page. As you can see, there is the download button there. We're going to click on the download button. We're going to click on the download button, and we're going to wait a little bit for this to finish loading. And there you see, as you can see, there's the professional version and there is the community version. We are downloading the community version, remember that. So you're going to click on community, not professional, okay? Community, not professional. So click on download. Click on download, and you should be directed to a page like this, okay? Now, as you can see, it says thank you for downloading PyCharm. The download should start shortly. So we're just going to wait. As you can see, it says if your download doesn't start, use this link. So if your download doesn't start, use the direct link. But I'm just going to wait a little bit because I know mine will start. As you can see, the notification has popped up. So I'm going to click on save file, okay? Just don't click on open with, please click on save file, and click on OK. And there you go. The software is about 500 and something MB, 516 MB, I think. And it is a very large software, okay? So you want to make sure your internet connection is stable, and it is going to be stored in the download folder. All right, it is going to be saved in your download folder. So that is just how you download PyCharm from jetbrains.com. So let us move to the installation of PyCharm. So to install PyCharm, of course, you're going to launch your terminal. And on your terminal, you can locate PyCharm in the downloads directory. So you're going to change your directory to downloads by typing the command cd downloads. And if we type list, as you can see, we have the compressed PyCharm file there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to decompress PyCharm. So to do that, you're going to type the command *-xf followed by the name of the PyCharm file, and you're going to click on enter. It is going to take a while to decompress, all right? So we're just going to wait, and as you can see, we now have two files right here. We have a directory and a file. So I'm just going to change my directory to this new PyCharm directory we have right here, and cd, and you're going to click on enter. And if I type ls, as you can see, let me type ls again. As you can see, we have a lot of folders and file here. So let me just go back and delete this thing. Let me delete this compressed file we have here, because we already decompress it into a folder right here. So we don't want to be taking much space on our system. So we're going to type the command rm followed by the name of your file, okay? And you're going to click on enter, and that should pretty much delete the compressed file. So we're going to go back to our PyCharm folder now, okay? We're going to go back to our PyCharm folder. Okay, let me just change my directory to the folder, okay? Click on enter, ls. Okay, let me just clear the screen, and ls, as you can see. So we're going to change our directory to the bin directory. So before that, as you can see, let us test our Python if it is working. As you can see, the latest version of Python 3 is installed. Remember, it is important to have Python installed on your Kali Linux, okay? So In our bin directory, we're going to locate the pycharm.sh file. So to install pycharm.sh, you're going to type the command /pycharm.sh, and this command should pretty much load up PyCharm. Alright, as you can see, PyCharm is loading. So a lot of stuff is going to be going on the terminal. You don't mind the terminal. Alright, as for me, I'm just going to minimize this terminal. Please don't close the terminal, because the terminal is actually the one opening the software. Okay, so you want to make sure you minimize the terminal. All right, by clicking on the minimize bar, and we're just going to pretty much wait for PyCharm to finish loading. Okay, so this is going to take some times, based on the fact that it is the first time. And as you can see, welcome to PyCharm. So you're just going to click on new project as usual, on your, just the same way you do it on your PC or whatever. You're going to click on new project. Okay, and okay, new project. And of course, you can name your folder, your project. You can give it any name you like. So as for this one, I'm just going to name it okay, let me give it a name. I'm just going to name it first project. Okay, first project, and that's it. And the base interpreter, you want to make sure your base interpreter is at least the latest version of Python you have on your system. And as you already know, I have Python 3.10, so I'm going to be using my Python 3.10. okay, so let us just go back to confirm that my version of Python is Python 3.10. As you can see right here, I have Python 3.10.5. so we're going to be using our Python 3.10.5, okay, which is Python 3.10. I want to use the latest version of Python. So, and you're going to click on create, and after clicking on create, just as it is on your system, all right, the full version of PyCharm on your Android phone. This is not a trick, guys. This is not a Ponzi scheme or whatever. Sorry, this is actually 100% working. Okay, if you follow the step just like I have shown you, it is working and it is legit. And for those of you that is complaining that Kali automatically closes when you launch it in your GUI, please, I want you to know that Kali is an operating system. Kali Linux is an operating system. It requires a lot of space to function perfectly fine on your phone. So you want to make sure you delete all those, unnecessary applications and videos on your phone. Make sure your RAM storage, you have at least 2 gig RAM storage to spare for PyCharm, or sorry, to spare for Kali. Okay, you don't want Kali to be, sharing RAM space with, these useless applications on your phone. So please, if you want to actually enjoy Kali Linux on your Android phone, make sure you have a lot of space and enough RAM to spare. If not, you're not going to enjoy this software. Okay, please make sure you give it a lot of space. And just like you code on your system, you can actually code with PyCharm through the help of Kali Linux on your Android phone. And this is legit, guys. Please make sure you watch this video till the end and understand every step I have shown you in this video. It is legit. I am showing you this from my Android phone, and you can actually code with PyCharm like this on your Android. So please, if you have found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications, as more videos, even better videos, are on their way, and I'm working on them currently as I'm talking to you. And I promise you don't want to miss out, because the videos I'll be making very soon, it is going to be first of its type on YouTube. All right, I'm serious, I'm not capping. It is going to be first of its type. So please make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on bell notifications. And if you encounter or you face any challenges while trying to do this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll reply you as fast and as soon as I can. So this is just pretty much it. You can enjoy your PyCharm, and for those of you that are new with Python, you can actually watch videos on how to use Python, on how to code with Python from YouTube. I'll be making videos soon, but I don't have videos yet. So this is pretty much it. Goodbye for now. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.